Hey everybody, Jody here, and today I have another letter. Now this time I picked one that I could easily read because I kind of needed a break from all those hard ones. This one, somebody actually knows how to write, and I can read it pretty well even though it's in cursive. This is from Equality, Kentucky, October 19, 1942. This is coming from a Mrs. Elwood. I can't really read the writing too well. And her name is Beatrice, and she's writing her friend. So this is a letter between friends, which is really neat, about their husbands being off in the war. This is World War II. She even used periods in her letter, which is really good because then I can kind of figure out where to stop and start. Yay! Okay, this one should be a lot better. I think I can get through this one. The last couple have been kind of hard. So here we go. Dear Anna Laura, I guess you think that I'm never going to answer your letter. I have been doing so much moving about that I just haven't got down to writing. I'm back in good old Kentucky now, and I am glad at it. I got home last Thursday night, and I have been sick ever since, and I don't feel much better now either. The trip down here on the bus liked to kill me. I got to Central City Monday morning and spent a day and a night with Elwood. We have been pretty lucky. We did get to see each other about once a month, but that is not often enough. I think he will get a furlough by Christmas if he isn't across the ocean. He has finished with his training, and I just stay uneasy all the time, afraid that he will be sent across most any time. It's sad. That would be really, really hard, especially during a war, you know. I wish I had gotten your letter sooner, and maybe I wouldn't have worked at all. I worked a week, and I was just about to kill myself and lose my baby too. Okay, that's a little dramatic. What? And it probably wasn't joking. It was probably like really hard for her, I'm sure, especially without her husband being around, and she's pregnant. And she's working, which is never easy, let me tell you. Okay, let's just move along. I went to the doctor and told him how I was feeling. He said I could take my choice, quit work or kill myself. What? You need a different doctor. What? What kind of doctor says that? Anna Laura, I would give anything to see you. I wish you and Conway would come down sometime. I don't know when I'll ever get that far away from home. All my clothes are getting too tight for me. I'm gonna start wearing maternity dresses soon. I can hardly wait to do it. Oh, that's cute. Please don't change your mind. I want you to tell me what Winifred said about me. Now, Anna Laura, you can kind of stir the pot, I know, sometimes. And why are you telling a pregnant person anything strange? She's pregnant. Her husband has been in training. He might be deployed. This lady's got a lot on her mind. She's trying to work. Why do you gotta stir the pot, Anna Laura? What did you do? What was in the last letter? Oh my goodness. Poor Winifred's getting stuck in this mess. Okay, we're moving along. I can't imagine what kind of a tale she is trying to start. While she's talking about me, she's letting some question mark. Buddy rest. Ha ha ha. Now, I don't know what that means, but it's probably like a personal joke. You was wondering about her and Buster. Well, Buster... Oh, let's turn the page. What's Buster doing now? Ooh, is married. He married the other girl? I always wondered if I would like run into this because, you know, like the GIs go away and they're gone and then they come back. So, Buster went and found some other girl and he got married. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. He married the other girl. I imagine Winifred feels sort of little now. Oh no. Okay, we cannot pick on Winifred. No. I want you to be sure and tell me what she said. You have my curiosity aroused. Yeah, well, oh no. Oh no. Anna Laura, what are you starting? My back is about to kill me, so I will quit this time. Hope I see you soon. Love, Beatrice. Oh, that's nice. I hope everything worked out for Beatrice. It sounds like she quit her job. She's basically waiting for her husband to probably leave and be stationed somewhere. So that's kind of interesting. They're both living in Kentucky, so they're not like too far away, but maybe back then it was. Here is the writing. It's super, super neat. So if you can see that. And she writes really well, and it was great. Hope you enjoyed that little letter. And if you like these letters, especially the ones that I can read, I love it if you like and subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what you think. If you have some that you want me to look for in your area, just let me know. I can do some searching. I enjoy reading these. Well, I hope you have a fabulous day, everybody. Bye. Bye. Until next time. That looks like fun.